This call is now being recorded.
So, guys, today we are going to learn modal verben in prateritum. Okay, this is A2 level modal verb in the past tense. Okay, in German this is prateritum, but in English it will be past tense. Modal verben. Okay, the meaning is modal verbs in German express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Okay, in the prateritum simple past, these verbs indicate that these conditions were relevant at some point in the past. Okay, guys. This next rule. So, guys, the rule is okay. Siddharth, can you please tell me the rule of modal verb? Subject plus
Subject plus modal
yeah,
verb
Modal verb
modal verb. Very good.
plus
subject
subject.
Plus subject, but you already done.
Object से object
Then
plus verb plus en.
verb with
En.
yeah. Guys, rule is same, but the modal verb we will use in preteritum. The rule is same. Okay, so guys, the first rule is you will remove en in the infinitive form of the modal verb. Okay, next, in most case remove any umlaut from the verb stem. So guys, in modal verb in present you will use umlaut. Okay, but in preteritum you will not use any umlaut. Okay, you will not use any umlaut. Next is at the appropriate preteritum ending. Guys, there is a particular ending of preteritum. Okay, with modal verb, so you will use that ending. Okay, the endings are, guys, if you use subject ish, so the ending would be
te
te. Te. Do, with do the ending will be test. Test. Okay, air zs the ending will be
t t
te. Where the ending will be
ten
tn.
tn.
Prakash, Siddharth, Jais, Rahul, Rekha, Kumkum, Suhail. Guys, why are you not speaking?
Yes,
With
sir.
ear the ending is
TET.
Ted.
Ted.
ET.
tet. Yeah, and with zz the ending is
Then
Ten.
TN.
ten. So guys, this is the table. Okay, this is the table of modal verben in preteritum. Okay, first one is Ramesh. First one is Durfan. Okay, it will change into Dufta. So guys,
Dupta.
with ish the ending is te, right? Ending is te. Okay, and we
Yes.
have not used any umlaut. Is Dufta. Ish Dufta.
During Prateritum, we should not use the umlaut.
Yeah. In present, it start with umlaut. In preteritum, you will not use any umlaut.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So, Ramesh, can you please read like that? Ish dufta, do duftest,
I,
RZS
sir, I
dufta.
will
Yeah.
just
Yeah. Please read.
is Dupta do Dudfest
Duftest.
ERGS Dupta
Yeah.
we are Dupten यह Dupten.
Dufted. Okay. Next is Suhail. Suhail, you will tell the next one. Guys, in present, that is Kyonan. Okay. In preteritum, it will be Conta. Conta. TE. So, guys, the with ish. With ish, the ending is te. So here, without umlaut, conta. Okay. Do,
Yes. Do contest.
yeah, rsg.
RZS conta. Wir content. Air content.
Okay. Next is Prakash. Prakash.
Uh, infinitive modern is water, do waters, air z is water, where water, head water.
Okay. Next is Siddharth.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
Museum, Muster,
Yeah.
Mustest, RSZ, Muster, where Mustem, here Mustet.
Okay. Next is Jess.
Zolte, do Zoltest, RCS Zolte, wir Zolten, ihr Zoltet.
Next is Rekha.
Ich wollte, du wolltest, ihr sie es sollte, wir sollten, ihr solltet.
Last one. Please read also
Ihr
Rekha. Wallen.
ich
Yeah, please.
wollte, du
Yeah.
wolltest, ihr
Yeah.
sie es wollte, wir
Yeah.
sollten, ihr solltet.
Last one. Wallen. Rekha. Last. Please read also Rekha. This one. Wallen. Volta. Voltest. Volta. Volton. And Voltet. Guys, anyone any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Whenever you will talk about the past, so you will use this table. You will not use umlaut. Okay, these are the particular ending with ish. You will use at the end te. So here is te. Okay, here is test. Do with do test. Okay. Next point is, guys, now we will read some example. Okay, example. So this example one by one, guys, you will read. Okay, so first is Ramesh. First one
Is contact gestern nicht common?
is contact gestern ist common. Very good. Okay, meaning
Meaning, I could not come yesterday.
okay. Next is Kumkum.
Du dürftest als Kind lange aufbleiben.
Du durftest als Kind lange aufbleiben. Meaning
You were allowed to stay up late as a child.
okay, great. Like is contact gestern ist common. I could not come yesterday. Du durftest als Kind lange aufbleiben. You were allowed to stay up late as a child. Okay. Next is Suhail. Third one, Suhail.
Muster früher aufstehen. He had to get up earlier.
Yeah. So guys, here we have used preteritum. We are talking about also past. Früher. Früher meaning previously
Early.
or earlier. Okay. Next is, guys, aufstehen. Okay. Next is Prakash. Fourth one.
Wir wollten nach Berlin fahren.
Yeah, meaning
Wanted to go Berlin.
okay, very good. Okay, next is Siddharth. Fifth one.
The Dolter era house of Gavin Marken.
Yeah.
She was supposed to do her homework.
Okay. So guys, we have used here Zolta. Okay. Next is Jess. Sixth one, buddy.
Hier Muster, then Film nicht. You all did not like the movie.
Okay. So guys, we are talking about past. Year most then feminist. You all did not like the movie. Okay. Next is Rekha. Seventh one.
Ich durfte das Buch behalten. I was allowed to keep the book.
The meaning. Yeah. I was allowed
I
to
was
keep.
allowed to keep it.
Okay. Next is Ramesh.
If darfst das Buch behalten. Ich durfte das Buch behalten.
Yeah. I was
I
allowed
was-
to. Yeah.
I was allowed to keep the book.
Okay. Great. Next is Kumkum. 8-1.
Do contest would swimmen.
Yeah.
You could swim well.
So guys, have you noticed one thing? So like as you you have learned in A1 level, modal verb you will use at the second place,
Second place.
but verb you will use at the
End.
okay, very good. सिद्धार्थ बड़ी क्लियर है आपको अभी?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can you tell the rule again? The object plus modal verb.
Yeah, buddy,
Yes.
the rule is here:
Subject
subject
plus modal verb.
plus modal verb plus object plus verb with en. Suhel, you are asking, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, buddy, I will take first example. So ish, what is ish here?
I.
Ish is I.
No, ish is I, not meaning ish is subject.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Conta is modal verb, right?
Yeah.
Yes, second place.
Guest and nest is object,
Object. Yes.
and this
Common
is
is
verb
verb.
with en.
Verb. At the end.
With the en. Verb with en.
En.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Siddharth,
Sir, one
buddy.
more.
Yeah, please. Suhel ask. Suhel, please ask.
Sir, on page number 20 of the book, in the day, yeah, it's the sentence in der Schulzeit konnte,
Where is it?
in the day, like,
Dead.
yeah, in der Schulzeit konnte ich nachmittags.
Yes. Sir, day, sir. Last one.
Buddy, this is the day, na, Ira?
Yeah.
This sentence in
Conta
their
is
Schulzeit
nachmittags.
Konta. Buddy, listen. In their Schulzeit Konta is nachmittags meine Freunde treffen. Subject is where? Subject is here. Guys, you can change the position. There is no issue.
Okay, that's fine. I want to
Okay,
test.
you can change the position. There is no issue. In their Schulzeit Konta is
Sir, as
nachmittags.
per the situation, it will change, sir.
Ramesh, what?
As per that situation, it will change, I think.
Correct. For example, guys, I will give you more example now because you have asked. Suhail, very good. Buddy, you like pointed out this point also. For example, guys, I will write one sentence. Okay. Gestern Konta is House of Gaba Makan. Okay. First point. First. Second. Ich konnte gestern House of Gaba Makan. Can anyone tell which sentence is correct?
Both.
Okay, both are correct. Okay. Gestern guys, important point is verb should be always second position. This is very important. Verb at the end should be there. These 2 points are very important. If you change the position according to the rule, okay, so everything is correct. Okay, you need to keep it in mind. These 2 things should be second. This should be second place, and this should be last. So 80% your sentence will be correct. Is it clear, Suhail?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now you can check any example. There on the second, guys, I'm talking about simple sentence. I'm not talking about Jana in Fraga sentence. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
okay. So always try to use verb at the second place. Okay. Next point. So guys, here we are Muston das Projekt beenden. Okay, we had to finish the project. So Muston is second place and beenden is last place. Okay, and Siddharth last one.
Walter Lehrer Worden.
Yeah.
Wait.
सर इसमें
Well done. Okay.
प्रोजेक्ट में
बोलिए, जैस बोलिए.
साइलेंट रखिए.
जैस आपकी वॉइस, जैस आई थिंक आपकी साइड से नेटवर्क इशू है. Walter Lehrer Werden. He wanted to become a teacher. Yeah, Jess, please tell.
Warden means became last at the end will come, sir.
Yeah, become. Guys, Werden you will learn in
Okay.
very depth. Okay, Werden.
That is,
Right now the meaning is to become. Okay,
yes, sir. Okay.
Siddharth, you please read.
Sir,
So which one?
10th one, buddy.
ये जो प्रोजेक्ट इसमें
Air
जेड को
water,
साइलेंट
Lehrer, Werden.
Yeah. Jaspreet, your voice is not clear. There is some network issue from your side. Okay, so please check the internet, or you can like write down your doubt in the chat box. Okay. Yes, Siddharth. Herr Volta, Lehrer, Werden. So Volta is the second place, and Werden is meaning to become. Okay, right now. Okay, so guys, these examples show how modal verb change in the preteritum and how they are used to talk about the past abilities. Okay, past obligation, permissions, or wishes. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, can
Yes,
you please
sir.
tell in the class at least two sentence, everyone?
Yes,
At
sir.
least two sentence, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes sir
So guys, please do it quickly. Then we will discuss in the class. Guys, this is the table. So you can see this table, and you will at least tell two sentences quickly. Okay. So you have time to 3 to 4 minutes. Yes.
Okay. Sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ramesh.
The 2 to 10 sentences I have to make and tell you, sir, right now.
Yes, correct. Yes, right now. Okay. Okay, so Ramesh, please tell 2 sentences.
Yeah, Ramesh dart. Sir. Hello.
Yeah, please tell Ramesh.
Ramesh dart join und mit in South Bringen.
Meaning buddy?
Ramesh bring their dog. Ramesh bring their dog to house.
Okay, Ramesh darf seinen Hund mitbringen.
Yes, sir.
Ramesh durfte, buddy, you will use durfte. Okay, Kumkum. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah. Ramesh, second sentence.
Ich musste ein Glas Wasser bringen.
Ich musste ein Glas Wasser gestern bringen.
Gestern.
Yeah. Okay, next is Kumkum.
Wir möchten
Kumkum, only one
spielen
sentence quickly. Yeah.
Wir möchten spielen zusammen.
Wrong. Kumkum, you are not like in the first sentence contact gestern is contact gestern. So हमने यहाँ पे gestern word use करा है. आपके sentence में कोई past word भी use होना चाहिए. Okay.
So sir, how do you speak this sentence?
What Kumkum?
Sir, I am asking. So how do you speak this sentence?
Like क्या बोलना है आपको बताइए.
Like we like to play together.
Okay. So for example, früher mochten wir zusammen spielen. और सुजामन बोलना.
Okay, so spielen last में बोलना.
Yes, but इसमें वर्ब नहीं लगाओगे. रूल क्या है इसमें? लास्ट में वर्ब नहीं लगाओगे.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is Suhail. Suhail, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy.
Sir, ich möchte jeden Tag Fitnessstudio gehen.
Buddy, वर्ब में en वाली फॉर्म लगती है. कौन सी फॉर्म लगती है वर्ब की?
Why that was it? Yes.
Gehen, en.
Yeah, gehen he said.
Yeah. Okay.
Gehen.
Yeah. Next is Prakash.
Wir sollten uns die Prüfung vorbereiten.
Noch einmal.
Wir sollten uns die Prüfung vorbereiten.
Vorbereiten. Okay, Siddharth, buddy. सिद्धार्थ बड़ी बोलना है, लिखना नहीं है. नो सिद्धार्थ अनम्यूट. Jess, you please tell. Jess.
Wir konnten nicht kommen.
Noch einmal.
Wir konnten nicht kommen.
Okay, gestern konnten wir nicht kommen. Okay, Rekha.
Ich durfte eine Schuluniform tragen.
Okay, रेखा आप कोई इसमें पास्ट का वर्ड भी यूज करिए ताकि इसमें पता लगे कि हम पास्ट की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके
ओके सर.
सो फ्रूहर आप यूज कर सकते हो उसमें. ठीक है. Okay guys, so das ist alles. You will make at least 10 sentences. Okay, and tomorrow we will continue our class. Okay, everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So guys, das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, auf Wiederhören.
Danke.
Bitte schön, guys. Ja.